Do you know that sodium oxide is best known as the chemical found in automobile airbags? An electrical charge triggered by automobile impact causes sodium oxide to explode and convert to nitrogen gas inside the airbag. At normal atmospheric temperature and pressure, nitrogen gas exists as gas. To turn it into liquid, it needs to be cooled to minus 210 and minus 196 degrees Celsius. That is really cold. We do know that liquid nitrogen is an extremely cool material. It has a boiling point of minus 196 degrees Celsius. It is used for a variety of things, such as a coolant for computers, in medicine to remove unwanted skin, warts, and precancerous cells. As for today, we do know that matter or substance can be transferred to different states for different purposes. And we're going to find out what would it take for matter to move from one state to another. In previous lesson, we do learn about the properties of solid, liquid as well as gas, and we do learn about the arrangement of atoms in all these phases. As for today's learning outcome, we're going to find out what would it take for matter to move from one state to another. We're going to learn about the phase changes. Okay. Okay, phase change. It is a process where we can change phase from one to another. Let's say we have a solid which we know have a very little energy. If we add heat to solid, it's going to melt and turn it into liquid. Alright, whenever we add energy in the form of heat, the atoms that previously closed together, they begin to move apart. Add more heat to liquid, it will form gas that spread even further away. Okay, as we can see, the particles begin to move apart from each other and begin to escape. In opposite of it, if we remove heat from the gas, it will condense back to liquid. And if we take away heat from the liquid, for example, put some water into the freezer, it's going to solidify into ice. So basically, we can control the state of matter for particular substance by putting heat into it or remove heat. So, if we have solid and turn it into liquid, that process is called melting. If you have liquid and turn it into gas, it is called vaporization. And if we directly turn solid to gas, it is called sublimation. All the process is called endothermic process because they need to absorb heat to occur. Now, the next process is known as exothermic process because heat needs to be released from them. I'm sure you know about this. When we turn liquid to solid, it is called freezing. When we turn gas to liquid, it is called condensation. And if we directly turn gas to solid, it is called deposition. Okay?